spitting at any of us. Do not.
And definitely never chug vanilla extract. Yeah. Hi, guys. Welcome. Squink here. We're going to jump into another one today. What the fuck? I didn't even... Okay, this one is called Woman's First Day at Job Turns into Disaster. Okay, good morning. Let's jump in. Welcome.
In June 2023, police were dispatched to a call regarding an overdose at a nursing home in Waukesha, Wisconsin. A 36-year-old new employee had arrived for a job orientation and started experiencing an overdose. She informed the staff that she had consumed crack cocaine.
Just first day on the job. I'm a little nervous. How can I calm these nerves? Just a little crack cocaine, baby.
And was trying to harm herself. However, upon investigation, it was later discovered that she was heavily intoxicated with pure vanilla extract.
Literally just spilled my water all over. So, let's continue.
She was at a new employee orientation, possibly.
Hey, where's it going on?
What's going on?
Possibly an overdose going on here? Can you just direct the other officers coming as well as fire?
So hold on, she got overdosed by vanilla extract?
What's going on here?
It was later discovered that she was heavily intoxicated with pure vanilla extract.
Wow, okay.
And that she did crack.
Is she talking? Is she the other officers coming as well as fire?
Interesting.
She admitted that she did crack.
Is she talking? Is she alert?
She's talking.
They're like, did you take anything? And she goes, yeah, crack.
112.
Sorry, I was just really nervous for this nursing home job. The birds are like, she did crack.
Human Resources Conference Room. She's alert and breathing.
She also wants to.
Can we see her?
Yep.
Hi. How are you doing? You okay? What's your name?
Right there, you see the bald guy? That's where you're going. I don't know. I've never.
Hey, what's your name? Let's start with that. Let's start with that. Okay.
Yeah, imagine getting like a brand new job, a decent job at a nursing home, and you're nervous about it, and then you just throw it all away by smoking crack and chugging vanilla extract. It's not the way to go about it, guys.
112. Can we get crew in route? Hi, what's your name? Can you talk to us so we can help you? Do you know what her name is?
What's going on today? Can you talk to us? What did you take today? What did you take? Huh? Some crack. Some crack? Okay.
I smoked crack.
Alright. When was the last time you used?
A couple hours ago.
Okay. Do you have any drugs on you right now?
No.
No?
Is it true that you smoke crack because you want to overdose and... That's what they're telling us. Is that true?
So if she does want to die, they're likely going to place her on an emergency protective custody hold, which can only be done by police officers, and that's when someone's a threat to themselves or others, and then it basically just gets a mental health help, or it's supposed to. But if you live in an area where mental health help is not great, it's just a waste of fucking time.
It's okay if that's true. We just want to know how we can help you.
Because we have somebody that can come here and talk with you, and we can get you in touch with the good resources. We need you to be honest with us.
Who is that?
That's just my partner as well as the staff.
You're not in any trouble with
Yeah.
us. We just want to make sure that you're okay and that we can get you help if you need it. Okay?
Yes.
Me?
Do you mind if I look through your purse for your ID?
Sorry, guys.
Make sure there's no weapons or anything in there? Do you mind if I do that?
OCD.
No.
You don't want me to do that or you don't mind?
I know,
You don't want me to do that?
you're a sucker.
Why is that? I'm being nothing but nice to
you
you.
look like a sucker.
Well, thanks.
Kinda a snobby nose.
We're just here to help. Like I said, you're not in any trouble. We just want to make sure that you're okay.
Hey, I guess in the meantime,
I like her.
we should walk around for fire.
Cute.
Can we at least get you up and then walk outside so we can get you assessed by medical?
Yeah, and I heard that's what your plan is.
Can we do that? I'm asking you. Because we got fire department here that want to check you out.
Alcohol and crack cannot be like a pleasing combination to be feeling inside your body. I mean, I've only drank. I've never smoked crack yet. I'm just kidding. I won't. I will never. But I can't imagine that makes your tummy feel very well.
Hey, what's going on?
Smoked crack about 20-30 minutes ago.
Can I feel your pulse, please?
As officers attempted to speak with her, she became uncooperative, insulting them, and eventually launched a projectile of saliva in their direction.
How about
Okay.
we take one step at a time and let's just get you medically cleared.
She's getting it ready.
Let's get all the bad stuff out of your system. Hey, we can't have you doing that, okay? Do not do that again. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
He looks like Elon Musk. This lady comes in and goes, "Did you just spit? You're fired."
Do you want to
so
go to the hospital
nervous.
with these gentlemen and get checked out? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
That's why guys will do a heart monitor too, just a real bad help.
We would like to just make sure you're doing okay, alright?
I'm fine.
Can they check your vitals here,
No.
and then we don't have to go to the hospital at all?
Alright, she's saying no. Just move on. Goodbye.
The worst thing that could possibly happen is something happens, you know, when we're away, and something bad happens, and then maybe you stop breathing, and then we have to come back, and then it's worse by then. We don't want that to happen.
Just let me go.
Well, we're not gonna go.
This guy
anywhere.
is.
Just let me go.
Stop, okay?
Stop touching me.
Relax. Just relax. Okay. We can't have you fall.
So we've
over.
we've seen her emotions just kind of roller coaster in the last 5 minutes. So don't smoke crack is the moral of the story.
Spitting at any of us. Do not.
And definitely never chug vanilla extract. Yucky.
I swear.
Or pour a little vanilla extract on your crack, then smoke it. That might be appetizing.
If you spit on me again, it's not going to be good.
Stop touching me. Stop. You're hurting me.
Okay.
Stop.
I need you to calm down.
I am calm.
Let's just go outside, okay? Let's get your heart rate checked out. Let's go outside. We're not going to sit in here.
Stop.
We're just trying to make sure you're okay, alright?
Stop touching me.
Sit in here.
Though
Okay, can you get your
an old person comes out and goes, "Did she smoke crack? I smoked crack once."
hands off of my...
Can you control yourself?
Yeah, I
Okay.
can,
Then sit.
sweetheart. You
Then sit. Okay, well, we're not going to do that.
Just put her in handcuffs.
okay.
Like if she's gonna be
Pants.
Okay.
if she's gonna be rude and calling you a sissy pants, just put her into handcuffs.
You want to try and scoot up a little bit?
Fun fact: you're allowed to use lethal force if someone calls you a sissy pants. I'm just kidding. You can't.
Slide you.
You.
Be more comfortable for you.
A spit hood was quickly placed over her face, yet she made another attempt to spit at an officer, with some landing on him.
Yeah, she's already shown us that she can't control her saliva. That's why we do that. Do we have 112? Can you just document that? Spit at us twice. She's got to spit it on.
Thank you.
And she's 26 at this point.
I was starting to feel bad for her. Like, I kind of felt bad for her. But then she started spitting, and I just have no patience for that.
Alright. We can just jockey cars. Things like that.
While en route to a local hospital, she maintained her level of combative behavior, screaming, attempting to remove the spit hood, and spitting at the officer numerous times during the entire ride to the hospital.
I thought she was in the gurney.
She had to be secured to the bed in 4-point restraints. During this process, she tried
4-point means 1, 2, and then if I was super flexible, I'd show you my ankles.
to bite officers while they adjusted her handcuffs. Additionally, she managed to slip out of the spit hood and successfully spat at both a nurse and the officers, with her saliva making contact with them.
She smoked crack to die. She didn't really want to talk to us. She just became super uncooperative, started spitting at us.
She was there for an interview?
I think so. She smoked crack about 20 to 30 minutes before we got there. She said she wanted to die. That's why she smoked crack.
Okay.
She's uncooperative, didn't really want to talk to us, started spitting at us, and now we're here.
Did she call you guys then?
The staff there, she was there for a new hire orientation.
Oh, for the love.
You okay?
Yeah.
Didn't get it in your eyes or anything?
No, she was got the spit.
I didn't know.
She's probably just telling you for discharge
Yeah.
of fluids since she's done it 3 times.
This doesn't make anything any better.
So yeah, there's a charge called assault with bodily fluids, and basically it carries the same weight as a physical assault. I guess spit is physical, but carries the same weight, but it's assault by bodily fluids.
You don't have to like us. You don't have to be friends.
Duh.
We have to go through this process either way.
This process we're going through.
It's
so
better just to relax and just lay back and talk to
Let
us.
go of me.
Yeah, because you keep acting like that. Like, you gotta stop. Just lay there and
ripping out the
relax.
cords.
We can let go of you, but you just gotta lay there and relax.
Oh, I will.
You want me to turn some TV
Will
on
you?
for you?
Yeah.
You like TV?
Prove to us that you can sit there and relax.
SpongeBob, please.
I know you've requested us to take the spit hood off, but you haven't proved to us that you can
Let's try this
put
again.
saliva in your mouth.
Sorry.
Hospital staff eventually had to administer medication to manage her combative behavior and outbursts.
I've seen that.
Take a little nap or something. Want the lights down?
I've seen someone, I kid you not, I've seen someone that was just like flapping their arms and their limbs and just talking 100 miles an hour, and then the hospital staff puts some Haldol, some sleepy sleep right into their vein. It's crazy. It's crazy how quickly they just come down. But then there's some, they power through it. They power through it like a quarterback on the 4th quarter of the Super Bowl. So, they mean business. So,
There you go.
Later, a search of her purse revealed an empty bottle of Kroger Pure Vanilla Extract.
That's illegal.
The officer was aware that individuals intentionally consume large amounts of pure vanilla extract
there is alcohol in it.
for its intoxicating effects due to its high alcohol concentration. When questioned, she admitted to drinking it, revealing a suicidal intent. Subsequent blood tests revealed a blood alcohol concentration level of
Holy-
0.039.
Okay, 0.08 is legal. So I'm not great at math, but that's definitely 4 times. That's at least 4 times the legal limit. For driving.
Ultimately, the 36-year-old female was charged with felony discharging bodily fluids at an officer ×2 and misdemeanor disorderly conduct. She was released a few days later on a $1,500 signature bond.
In some states, when they overdose, you can't charge them with it. It's weird. It's weird. I don't know if that's the same here in Wisconsin.
However, a few months afterward, the bond was modified to $10,000 due to her non-compliance with Wisconsin Community Service. In the end, she was only found guilty for 1 count of discharging bodily fluids. The remaining charges were dismissed, but read in. Considering this case, and another where she was convicted of 1 count of discharging bodily fluids as a prisoner, she was sentenced to 1.5 years of jail, along with 2 years of extended supervision.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Code Blue Cam. So, yeah. She should have just gone to her new higher orientation. That was a great first step in her life to getting better. She's obviously got some issues. She feels the need to consume large amounts of vanilla extract in order to feel like a human being, I guess. And then smoking crack is definitely not something that people usually resort to for nerves or for, like, you know, getting over to you know, build courage to do something you've never done, or it's just not. A Red Bull works well, for sure. I don't drink energy. I'm starting to ramble. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next one. Thank you, code BlueCam. Like, subscribe, comment, all that great stuff. I started doing thumbnails. I'm starting to be artistic, so I'm really getting into the routine of producing some good stuff. If you have some comments or suggestions, let me know down below. But otherwise, that's going to do it. See you tomorrow. Bye.